Hey everyone, welcome back. And in this tutorial, we are going to learn how to customize your Shopify store theme. Before we can customize our Shopify store theme, we first need to add a theme to our library. And to do this, we first have to click on Add Theme and then visit the theme store. So here we can view the different themes or templates that we can use for our store page. Some of these are paid, but there are very good ones which are free. For example, this Crave theme here, you don't really need to pay anything to use it. Or this one, Refresh. As you can see here, we have access to a lot of Shopify themes. You can purchase if you don't really have the time, but if you want to put in the effort, then you can save a lot of money. So for this example, we are going to be using the Crave theme. So we just need to click on the Try theme option and then it will load up for a bit. So while we are waiting for the loading, I suggest that you look into other websites for inspiration when it comes to customizing your own theme. We have just finished loading our theme, so we just click on the Customize button. And here you can see the different sections of your Shopify page. So we have our header, our footers are available here. We can customize it from here. So for example, we want to change the contents of this banner. We can just click it and then we can just change the text. So for example, I want to write, browse our discounted products. Just type the changes that we want here. For this tutorial, we're just going to keep the customization for the elements very simple. But of course, for your own product page, you can customize it as much as you want according to your liking. But again, for this tutorial, we're just going to keep things simple. So just press save, exit, and then we can customize the theme that we have loaded up earlier. So let me just click on customize for the Crave theme. And then as you can see, it now looks very different from what we had earlier. To customize the banner, we can just click on it. And then we type what we typed earlier. So browse our discounted products. And there you have it. Just be sure to save every time you make a change. So let me show you another example. What if I want to change the announcement bar? So one thing we can do here is to just click on the left part of our website. So I clicked on the welcome to our store and then we can just change the text that appears on the box. So let me type it in all caps, welcome to Box store. So just press save and then I will be reloading this web page, and then you can see that the changes that we made or the customizations that we made has fully reflected on our Shopify store page. So if you put in the effort, then you can definitely turn this into whatever design that you want. So one last thing I have to show you here is to go to settings and then click on brand. And be sure to upload your icons, your covers, or your logos, because it will make life very easy if you upload it here and you need to change themes. It will automatically migrate. And that is it on this tutorial on how to customize your Shopify store theme. If it helped you, be sure to like, comment, subscribe, and also hit that bell button. And we'll see you next time.